Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to be meeting up with Dom and Jam. Dom is getting his roof wrapped today for his Accord for Stance Nation this weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and meet up with them, hang out with him while his car's getting done. Probably grab some breakfast. We got to come down back to my place and grab some decals and stuff like that and hang out. So follow along. What's up, guys? It does focus on the glitter. You got that rainbow flake.
It's good though, huh? I'm gonna go get the key so I can open that fender.
Okay. I can smell the hot vinyl.
They use torch.
Yeah. Focus on that glitter. There we go. I'm hella stepping his game up.
Underneath the hood that I installed.
Wow.
Yeah.
You have for a show tomorrow?
Sunday.
Oh, Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
Yeah, so these will go, hopefully, I don't know what the weather's going to be. The sun is really going to help.
Before. Why is he gonna send a picture of before?
Because that's the only photo he has. You need to clean your shit.
Yep. Gotta clean everything.
Then you got that sequential shit. Anyway guys, this is how my life is going right now. I'm trying to get something important done at work, and yeah. First the guy left said like on my computer, and my computer is one of those awesome computers that you cannot just, you know, switch users on anymore because he's turned off that setting. And then I restart it to this. I'm trying to get some work done this morning. This is what you do when it's raining and you decide to put car parts together in the warehouse or in the actual office. Big ass filter for a 2.5 liter Volkswagen.
I only did that because I thought I was holding an exhaust, but I forgot that I'm holding a cold air intake.
So you got stuck through it.
Shout out USP.
Today on my lunch break at work, we are gonna be installing a cold air intake on my buddy Paul's 2.5 liter Volkswagen Jetta. So let's see how well this goes. Alright guys, here's where we are so far. We've got the top of the intake taken off, and most of the tubes taken off. We're redoing the ECM for the transmission modules. We've got the power steering pump, the power steering reservoir already relocated. Just trying to fit everything in here just to get the intake in. My battery's gonna die, so I will have to follow up with this later. Alright, so as with any project, when you don't do it at your own house, stuff breaks. So we broke the power steering reservoir nipple off in the hose when trying to get the intake in. So we kind of super glued it and put some putty on it just to keep it sealed until a new one can get ordered, and we'll replace that one later. But we need to at least be able to get the car back out of the warehouse and to the house. Alright guys, so we finally got this on. This is a little wonky. I have a feeling the welds is just facing the wrong direction. It's facing this way, and I have a feeling it's supposed to be facing this way. Which is why that's clipped a little funky, but it is clipped on. We cut everything down. Got that all fixed up, clipped back down. Now we're trying to get the filter on here.
It's really gonna go right here.
So, filter's just gonna go on there. We just gotta hold this and pray to get it on. Alright guys, we finally got the filter all shoved up in there. It was a little harder than I thought it would be, but I got it done. And now we just gotta finish bolting everything back up, and we should be good. All finished. Nice little cold air intake. We got all that done. I don't know exactly how the engine bay is supposed to look now, but what we ended up pulling off is this whole contraption here. This big 2.5 Jetta factory air box, which is part of the intake manifold apparently. Alright, so we decided to put the factory intake manifold piece back on the air intake. So I kind of had this inlet here, goes through here, goes through a filter, and then comes through here. And this piece originally attached to the throttle body, but now we've got this other intake that comes down, goes to the front bumper. Looks a lot better. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and see the difference. I know I don't have the original, but I know it's super quiet, so we'll see if this does any better. I also gotta check on the power steering line. Sounds a lot better. There's nothing coming through this, so you're fine.
That's all that computer did.
Yeah. But damn. You almost wouldn't even know it was there. So I think what we're thinking about doing is putting like a coupler here, between here and here, that dips underneath. So it's not connected to anything, but you really can't see it.
Ready for the rev?
Go for it. When you're pulling out of the warehouse, you're probably not supposed to be working on cars in. We're dripping power steering fluid everywhere. And of course, now it's starting to rain. Hey guys, I'm gonna wrap the vlog up here. I just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel so we can go ahead and get out there more, bring you guys more videos. I'm probably not going to be leading the next vlog. I'm going to be handing the camera off to Ray in the MBS group. He's going to be attending Stance Nation along with Dom, so you guys want to make sure you check out Dom's car at Stance Nation. By the time this is all posted, it'll be today, so go to Stance Nation today, check out that show. It's at the San Mateo Convention Center, I believe. You can go and check out his car. He's unveiling a whole bunch of new stuff on it. Some of it will probably be in this video, and then there's a bunch of stuff I didn't even show. So make sure you guys check that out. And I hope you guys like their vlog that they do. I have no clue what's going to happen, so I really hope you guys like it. I hope I like it. But it's going to be a little bit different, so follow along.